Let's try to find out that how we will be generating news feed for Instagram posts. So what will happen is that as soon as user logs in on their app, they will be seeing a news feed where they will be seeing certain images and all those things. That is called the news feed which we generate, and they'll be seeing it. So let's try to find out that how we will be finding it out. So what we can do is, suppose user has followed 500 person. So we will take 50 photos from all of these, and then what we will be doing is we will take these photos and we'll send this to ranking generation engine. So what ranking generation engine will do, it will rank them depending upon that how user will like, depending upon how old images are there, how many likes on images are there, and how relevant it is, depending upon the past liked images or videos whatever user has seen. So out of these we will get 50 images, and then 50 or 100 images, and we will show all of them to the user. Now what will happen is that if as soon as person logs into the app, and we will get and go ahead take these images, try to generate these things and put on their home page, it will be too costly process. So what we will be doing is, on the periodic basis, we will take these images in the background and we will fetch it into the Redis. By this what will happen is that as soon as user logs into the app, data is already there. So it will just click and data will be fetched from the memory. In that Redis, as you all we know that Redis is a in-memory database, so fetching from it will be pretty fast, within 1 millisecond or something. So what will happen is that by this thing we can generate, and for this what we need to do is we need to pre-calculate all the news feeds for the user, and we need to keep it ready for them. Fetching data can happen in two ways. One can be pull, another can be push. So what is pull and push mechanism? Pull mechanism is that as soon as you logged into the app, you fetch the data either by scrolling down or something, then a request call will be made to the server and data will be fetched. In push mechanism, what happens is that they open a socket, bidirectional socket, and server will keep pushing data to the app. So what will happen is that if user has followed too many people and too many events are getting generated, then push mechanism will not be good. It will keep pushing data unnecessarily, and then it will be not a very good experience for the user. What we can do is, if user has less followers, less events are getting generated, we can follow push mechanism. If user has too many people who he has followed, then we can go for the pull mechanism. So as soon user comes, it will fetch and data will be pulled from the Redis through API call. So by this one, we can generate a news feed for a user for Instagram.